Glass. Glee.
Hum.
Hoping.
Him.
Hopping. Dancing.
Michael Jackson.
What's the third syllable?
I think changing the person to speak is a bad idea for our son as well.
Andrew.
Andan. Do.
Second syllable. Redo.
Do.
An. 170. Nado. Nad.
Nad.
Nado. So that's nado. Tornado. Second syllable.
Bra. String. Bra. Strap. Strap. Why the fuck are you taking your clothes off? White shirt. Bra.
Stripe.
Boobs.
Underwear.
Tattoo.
No.
Nipple.